Hello, we're here today to talk about how you can make all your dreams come true. Now then, there's only one way that I know that you can do this, and that is you get yourself a tape recorder, one of these old things, and you get a blank tape and you fast forward all the way to the end, especially leave it blank, and then you make a recording like this. And what you do is you play this, you rewind it back the other way and you play it back when you're asleep. But this is what you record. Don't wake up. Continue to sleep. But listen to what I have to say. Dream only of ordinary, everyday tasks. Think only of possessions that you already own, and not of things that you can't afford. Be satisfied with your current sexual situation and don't lust for what you can't attain. Dream only of banal daily activities and not of anything requiring excitement. Or, alternatively, have a horrendous nightmare so that reality will seem like a better alternative on awakening. Now then, what you do is you rewind that all the way, and of course you rewind that and you go to sleep, and we'll pretend anyway you play that back to yourself, and what it does is it programs your mind. And you see, it's really, you think it's reality that's all wrong, but it's not. There's nothing wrong with reality. It's all in your head. You have these things called unrealistic expectations, and you can either program them to be similar to reality, which is what we're doing here, or you can lobotomize yourself. But trust me, this method, this tape method, is the cheapest and less bloodiest alternative. So, sweet dreams.